Hi, I'm Gary from PM Quilting. Here is our 10-inch AQSR. As you see, it has a guide on it. This guide is adjustable with these wing nuts. We can move it and slide it to any size all the way down to 1/8 of an inch. I've taken all my fabrics here and we'll pull these over here. We'll show you how to make a strip. I think we're going to be a little short on this fold, but at least you'll see how to use it. There's an edge right there that lays on the mat. You're going to slide that up to your fabric. Oh, and look at there. We're just going to make it. And press down and cut. Now we have our 2.5-inch strips. So we're going to move these out of the way for a minute. We're going to move these over this way, turn them sideways, and as you can see we still have the selvage on here. So we're going to cut that selvage off. We let our guide slide to the bottom out of the way for a minute. It has a track, which means it'll hold your jelly rolls and bali pops in place for you. So we're going to lay that over the fabric. That holds them in place. They can't get away from you now. So let's come down here and cut off these selvage edges. By cutting off those selvage edges, we just squared up all 3 sides of that fabric. So now we take our guide and adjust to what size we need. We want a 4.5, we put it on 4.5. There's an orange line right down the middle with the wing nut. It goes all the way down the middle. You cannot wear it off, and that is a challenge. So let's say you want to make a 2.5. How many times you made a 2.5-inch square and ended up with different size 2.5-inch squares? Not anymore. Now you set your ruler to what size you need. We're going to lay those inside the track. Slide them down, touch the guide. That way all 3 sides of your ruler hold those in place. And cut. There we have 5 layers stacked up. That means 10 pieces of fabric. They're all cut at the same time. It makes precision. So the ruler is set, slide it down, touch the guide. We just made 20 pieces in 3 cuts. And they're all accurate, precision squared up for you so you're ready to sew. The other side of our ruler would give you a 45 degrees. We're going to lay that on our binding, draw your line and sew it. You have a 45. Now we can also cut that 45, flip it over, lay it right back inside that track. That holds them together. One finger on the point, pull them out. There's your half square triangles, flying geese. Pull it out some more. We have trapezoids. Why do we need a trapezoid? When you're making blocks and you need to go around that block, there is your mitered corners. Now we can also flip that strip over, lay it inside that track, and we have a parallelogram. Now, I have a question of the day, and I know that you guys aren't here with me, but there's our 45 degrees. A girl's best friend is a diamond. So we're going to show you how to make a diamond with this 45-degree angle. So we have our first 45. To make a diamond, we need 4 equal sides. That's called a rhombus. So we're going to bring this down to 3¼ inches. Why 3¼ 2.5 wide, 45 degrees is 3¼ inches long. We need 4 of those equal sides. So we're not going to remember all that, so Josh can zoom in a little, hopefully. You can see the diamond on this ruler. So you put the line on the diamond to cut a diamond. So now that we have it on our diamond, we're going to lay that inside the track. We're going to slide it down, touch the guide, and cut. And there is our diamonds. There's 10 diamonds right there. We have a pattern on our website. We also sell it with the rulers, and that'll make your diamond block all the way around. Many things you can do with this ruler. You can also adjust out all the way to 1/8 of an inch. So you can have a lot of fun with this. You want 4 7/8 for those goofy patterns out there that want 4 7/8, 5 7/8, 6 7/8. You can do that with this ruler. It comes with a guide. It has instructions on the back of the card. It'll even show you how to make these diamonds. We appreciate your time today, and I hope this video will help you use our 2.5-inch ruler. Thanks very much. Bye-bye.